throttle. Going up. They say this does 115 miles an hour, so we'll see. Wow, really good. Super smooth. We'll go around maybe 2 more times and we'll set up for a landing and we'll check it out. But so far everything's good. I'm going to try to stay close to the trees for perception. That sounds good. Mm-hmm. What do you think, Mark?
I like it.
It's nice and smooth. We'll do a nice low, fast flyby. Working the cameraman. There we go.
I
don't. Enough for a landing.
I don't know how much of this I've missed.
I think I just broke his neck. We're coming in for a landing. Long roll out, staying in the power. Coming in. Letting it settle down, backing out the power. Letting it settle. Glide. There we go. Look at that. Ooh.
It's a hole.
Not so good. We'll take 4 landings on that one.
And that wasn't the pilot's fault.
Wasn't the pilot's fault. It was the field though, but I'll take it. And there you go. You got the Freewing Avanti S on 6S high performance. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And there we go.
Rolling.
All right, we're gonna fly this one. We're gonna do a shakedown on this one. I'm gonna see what we can do a little bit. Some low. We got no wind, so I think it'll be a good time. Let's see. We'll push it around a little bit. And I'm flying this with the 5000 6S LiPo, so we will see how it handles. All right. I love the sound of this thing. It's got a ton of power too. And taking off now. There you go. Our field's got some bumps. It's not perfect. Did you get it?
Yeah, but I think it's a little blurry.
It probably is. Let's see here. Plenty of power, look at that. It will hover and fall out. Just gonna try to keep it close in. See how she knife edges. It'll do it. There you go. Nice clean knife edge there. Could use some more rudder, but that's good. And then fast and low. We're trading them off, and I kind of always go back to them. It's just a sure bet. And they slow down great. This is it, slowing down. It's all around great jet. Plenty of power. Looks at that punch out.
Afterburner.
Afterburner. You got it. And I'm just flying this around on low rate, so this isn't nothing crazy.
It's a pretty good roll rate there.
It is. It really is. I'll put it on high rates and scare myself here.
Yeah, don't do that.
Let's see. So this is on high rates right now. And we will roll very fast. And they are. Wait a minute. I see. Saw
2 out of 3?
Yep, I saw 2 out of 3.
It's not good.
That's not good. Oh, I think it came out.
I
there
see
it is.
Yeah.
We're good now.
We need 3 out of 3.
Yeah. Quarter throttle. Still spooling. And flare. There we go. I wanted to hold on to it a little longer because there's some bumps a little early in the field, but it does good. It's an excellent flying airplane. Love it to death. You know, like I said, we're yanking around on it pretty good. Speaking of yanking around, we got a cub over there flying pretty low. Yanking around. And there we go.